take command of the road in the 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.